Can I get a yer? Hey, boo kitties. Hey, boo, hey. What's good, y'all? It's the girl, the guy's name, 5'4" again. You know what I'm saying? And I'm back with another video teaching you how to edit and flex and slay on your iPhone 8. On your iPhone 8. And as you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to stand out when submitting your self-tape as a newbie. Skim your script before studying and memorizing it. As you can see here, I was very observative and I could see that this mentioned a whiteboard. So I wanted to create that environment. I wanted to emulate that environment and portray this character in the best way possible to the audience, right? Get creative, boo boo kitty, as if you're recording a TikTok. So I created a sign because this was something that was mentioned in the script. I also made a tag. This wasn't mentioned in the script because I wanted to indicate that I was a coach. Here it mentioned the coach was crying, so I prepared to shed a tear. And then I utilized my editing skills with Video Leap, very simple, to create this reel. Minimal makeup, basic top. Name, age, agency, and clothes. Hi, my name is Ryan Jones. I'm with John Casablanca's modeling and acting agency. You want to make sure that you do side, front. Do this and smile. And scene. A job is a step in the staircase of life. You want to make sure that you keep eye contact and use your lower abdomen to project your voice. Take up as much camera time as you like. My job is to help you climb that staircase. I'm going to help you get the certifications you need. The resume you dreamed of. And when you walk into that interview room, oh no. This is how I introduced another prop. You are not alone. Welcome, Bradley. Now you can pause at this part, but I basically broke down these very simple steps on how I created this illusion. I'm gonna make sure that I do a tutorial for you guys, but you can just pause this video and just read through. Tell us about your recent experience. I'm mad corny, I know, but this wasn't a part of the script. This is improvisation. This part right here. I love to tell you about my time working in customer service for a major retailer. It was awesome. I love to watch them soar, but I hate to see them leave. Good job, Bradley. Not that I just showed y'all this corny, you know what I'm saying? But you know, whatever I gotta do to encourage my boo-boo kitties, even if I gotta embarrass myself and show y'all self-tapes and how to do a self-tape. But that was one of the self-tapes that I had to submit. And like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.